Today we are cooking this delicious chicken and rice soup. It is hearty, but it's light with the broth. You can use whatever type of rice you'd like. The first thing you need to do is cook that rice according to whatever's on the package. Usually this takes about a half an hour. So get that going on one burner while you work on the rest of the soup. All right, then it's time to saute the vegetables with butter and spices on medium heat. There's some yummy things: onion, carrot, celery, garlic, salt and pepper. Add that butter in there, some lemon, fresh squeezed. It's all going to be so delicious. Get that going on one burner and then turn your attention to the chicken. You want to season it up with some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and a little olive oil. Just kind of get that all over so it's very nicely seasoned. It's going to add a lot of flavor to the soup. And what I want you to do is to sear it in a pan on the side. I like how the chicken gets a little bit browned. It gets that really nice layer to it, and you don't have to completely cook it through, but definitely brown the outside. Then you can pop the chicken broth and that chicken into the pot with all the veggies. And remember, your rice is still cooking on the side. It's all coming together at the same time. Once about 15 or 20 minutes goes by, the chicken will be nice and cooked through. It'll be soft, it'll be tender. You want to dice it all up and return it back to the pot to simmer for 5 or 10 minutes more. Then you're ready to plate it. I like to add some Parmesan cheese, some toasts or some crackers on top, and some fresh chopped cilantro or parsley. This is so yummy. You can print all the recipe steps at Sip, Bite, Go. See you next time.